Hi everyone, this is how to change the size of subtitles on BBC iPlayer. You can use this tutorial to make the subtitles any size you want, although this tutorial focuses on making them smaller. Here is a timestamp on the screen for Chrome, Firefox and Internet Explorer. Microsoft Edge is not included because I couldn't find a solution for it. On Chrome, click these three dots in the top right corner of the screen, and then click Settings. Here you will find font size. By default, it's medium. However, change it to small or very small, and then that will reduce the size of the subtitles. However, if you prefer to be more precise, then you can just click Customize Fonts, and then you can change the slider. On Firefox, click these three lines at the top right corner of the screen, then click Options. After that, scroll down to Language and Appearance, then go to Size. By default, it will be 16. However, change it to 10, 11, or 12. For the people who use Internet Explorer, simply press Alt on your keyboard. Then click View. Then Text Size. By default, it should be on medium, simply change it to smallest and you should be good to go. Just before this tutorial ends, I would like to say that I used Inside Number 9 as the example video because I highly recommend it to everyone. Also, there's a like button and a subscribe button down there below this video. You know, if you want.